Creating a seamless connection between indoor spaces and the outdoors is one of the most popular home improvement goals for Rockford homeowners, and the right patio doors can make all the difference. Whether your home overlooks a yard, garden, deck, or patio, installing new, modern patio doors can completely transform how you experience your living space. They enhance natural light, improve access, and make your home feel more open, inviting, and functional. If you're thinking about upgrading your Rockford home, here's how new patio doors dramatically improve indoor-outdoor flow and elevate your everyday living. Larger glass panels bring the outdoors, and modern patio doors are designed with expansive glass panels that maximize your view and create a smoother visual transition between inside and outside. This design not only brightens your living space but also blurs the boundaries between the home and nature. Homeowners enjoy more natural light throughout the day, uninterrupted views of the backyard or garden, a more open and airy feel in their main living areas, a sense of connection to outdoor spaces in Rockford, where homeowners appreciate all 4 seasons. These expansive views allow you to enjoy nature from the comfort of your home. Smooth, easy access to outdoor living areas. Whether you love hosting outdoor gatherings or simply enjoy stepping outside for fresh air, new patio doors make access seamless. Older doors often stick, warp, or fail to slide properly, making it inconvenient to move between spaces. New patio doors offer effortless sliding or swinging operation, wider openings for easier movement, durable tracks and hinges built for everyday use. Options like French doors, sliding doors, or folding systems. This smooth access encourages you to use your outdoor spaces more often, making your backyard an extension of your living room. Improved ventilation and fresh air circulation. Rockford has beautiful spring and fall weather, and new patio doors make it easier to enjoy these comfortable outdoor conditions from inside your home. Benefits include enhanced airflow through wider openings, fresh air that reduces indoor stuffiness, better ventilation for kitchens and dining areas, natural cooling that reduces the need for AC. A well-designed patio door can transform the way your home breathes, improving comfort throughout the day. An expanded living area for entertaining. Modern patio doors allow you to extend your living space outdoors. When open, they create a wide, inviting passageway that makes gatherings feel larger, more comfortable, and more connected. Perfect for family barbecues, holiday celebrations, summer parties, quiet evenings on the patio. Guests can move easily between indoor and outdoor areas, making your home feel more spacious and welcoming. Better energy efficiency for year-round comfort. New patio doors do more than enhance indoor-outdoor flow. They help regulate your home's temperature throughout the year. Energy-efficient patio doors feature low-E glass to reduce heat transfer, multi-pane glazing for improved insulation, durable frames that prevent drafts, secure weather stripping to block outdoor air. Rockford residents benefit from year-round comfort, whether it's shielding the home from winter cold or keeping out summer heat. Enhanced home aesthetics and modern appeal. Upgrading to new patio doors instantly modernizes your home. With sleek frames, clean lines, and customizable options, they boost both interior style and exterior curve appeal. Design options include sliding glass doors, hinged or French-style doors, multi-panel or folding glass walls, various frame colors and finishes. No matter your home's style, there's a patio door that complements it beautifully. Increased property value. Patio doors are a high-impact home improvement that adds value and desirability. Buyers appreciate homes with upgraded access to outdoor spaces, modern energy efficiency, and improved natural lighting. A new patio door can increase resale value, improve marketability, make your home stand out to buyers. It's a smart investment that pays off today and in the future. Final thoughts. New patio doors are one of the most effective ways to enhance indoor-outdoor flow in Rockford homes. With more natural light, easier access, better ventilation, and a stronger connection to outdoor living, they elevate both the comfort and style of your home. Whether you enjoy entertaining, relaxing, or simply taking in the view, modern patio doors help create a living space that's brighter, more open, and more enjoyable every day of the year.